Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. Welcome back to How We Roast Cook. Today I have a guest chef right here. This is my mother-in-law, for those who don't know. So today she's going to be making pepper pot soup. Alright, we've been longing for this, and we already have the corned beef, salted beef, or whatever you call it, soaking. So it's been soaking for about 2 hours now, and we're gonna just give it another rinse and cut it up, trim it up, and put it to boil. All right, so stay tuned.
We'll be using, we have kale, so we're going to use it spinach and kale. And if possible, if you're a lover for okra, you can cut few okra into bit pieces and add it into the pot. And then we have our seasoning, thyme, scallion, and we have the type of food that we're going to put in the pot now. We have yam, we have coco, we have dasheen, and Irish potato, and chocho. So that's it. And you know, dumpling is a must.
And we have pepper as well. But if you have the good, nice green Scotch bonnet pepper, that would be best. I don't like okra, so I don't think I want any in the soup.
Okay,
but if you want, you can add it, yeah.
On display. Okay, and that's it.
Alright, so just gonna trim up the meat and give it a final rinse and add it to the pot.
Okay, so we're gonna remove.
The knife sharp here.
Yes. Remove all of this.
And of course, if you don't eat beef, you can use your desired meat, right? What other meat do you use to make pepper pot soup?
You can use chicken
back, or
chicken back. You can use chicken foot. You can use chicken breast and wing, whatever choice you have, you prefer.
What about salted pork? You can use salted pork?
Yes, you can use salted pork. Yeah, they say corned pork, is it?
Corned pork.
Oh my.
Use the word salted because we sent Tash go buy it and she said corned beef for soup. So I said, no, not the corned beef in the can.
Okay.
We said salted beef.
Okay.
So she know exactly what to ask
what
for.
ask for.
Some people want to say corned beef, they think of the can one.
Okay, yes. Yes.
Alright,
or a piece of garlic. Yeah, garlic. So wash it.
I don't have no fresh garlic.
You have piece of ginger?
Mince one. You want to mince already?
Give me a piece of the ginger.
Alright, so meat going in the boiling water.
That's it.
So because we're using corned beef, we want to boil the meat first, and then we're going to pour off that water, that first water, and then pour some more fresh water on it and continue with the cooking process. Alright, so we have a pan with water. I'm gonna add the lime. So when you peel the yam and air touches it, it oxidizes, so you want to add some lime to keep it to maintain the color. So we don't want the yam to turn black when you peel it, so that's the purpose of putting the lime in the water. Pretty.
Yes, so you cut the however you feel to cut it. Some people like big pieces of food, some like it small. So you just cut it. Which way you prefer. So like you cut it this way, you cut it again. Don't have to be big. Okay. And this is chosha. This one have a nice shape. I tell you.
We call it chayote.
Really?
Chayote in some country, but you know, we're Jamaican, we call it chocho.
Right. Some people don't remove this,
Yeah, let's go.
but I remove it.
Yeah, let's go.
Because if your food cook, I see this in there. This, not that. This part, you not like it. What is happening with it? Oh, sit with the chocho. Keep it Irish. No. Oh, blue cocoa. Yeah, man, I good one this. Nice.
So it's dumpling time. I don't know about you guys, but I love cornmeal dumpling. Especially my husband, you know, like when we put flour dumpling in a soup.
Really?
So, but the kids them love flour dumpling.
Okay. Oh, they.
So what I normally do sometimes I not add too much cornmeal, so they don't really
Realize it.
in there, yeah.
Right.
Or if you have an exact measurement,
Yes.
you know, say.
Right. About to, so we are going to rinse off the kale
And spinach.
and the spinach. Then we are going to blend it. Oh, we blend it because we want it to the soup to get the green color. So you know the liquid. You want it green. Okay. We're not going to use the okra.
You can blend all of this
All
and
of
you can
this.
add more in the pot afterwards.
Right. So I put it in a bowl.
Water.
Yeah. So they change color. See, all right. You see actually. So what you going to do? What you do now? You remove. You used to get this water off of it and use the ordinary water. And see there, it's already blanched.
Alright, so just using a half cup of water.
So before you pour that, you're going to put in for the food. Okay. Yes. I am just preparing the scallion and thyme and pepper for the soup. Some people beat scallion, but I don't beat the scallion, I just slit it down. Alright, it's all done now. I think we need more time. That should be good. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we have tested the meat and it's actually cooked. So we're going to add our food and then our kale afterwards, and then the seasoning, and then when that is done, you leave it on the fire and it's going to simmer. When we add the kale, it's going to get a green look. Okay, that's it for food, except for the dumpling in a little while. Yes, now we are adding the kale, the green liquid. That's it. Okay, that's how it looks. And then we soon be adding the dumpling into the pot and the scallion and thyme and pepper. Okay.
Alright, dumpling time, people, dumpling time. My favorite thing in the soup. You not even have to give me meat. Once me have my dumpling and potato and yam, I'm good to go.
Sister, then you make soup in meat, you know?
Who?
A lady.
The lady up
Yeah, she just used coconut milk.
Oh, you got add coconut milk in this?
No.
Me like in a soup.
But she just not eat meat.
Me like when coconut milk in a soup, but not a lot, just a little.
Preferably in a pea soup. Right. Add seasoning, scallion, thyme and pepper. All good. Some people don't know this. Let me look. You see the coconut, you just mash up 2 pieces and make it get the body. Yeah, pepper. My girl. When you're done, I can't taste scary. Just you see, just this so. You do so, and you put it in your hand like this. But some people, you know, then they put them in a crowd and then they put big, they might do this. When they taste in their hand, they put it in their mouth.
Well, no Jamaican do that. Jamaican know better.
We're now adding a little of the kale in it now. This is the last thing that we are adding. Just to allow the texture to be a little bit better.
So adding powdered seasoning or cock soup is quite optional because when you're using salted beef, it gives the pot a natural salty flavor. So you want to be careful when adding powdered seasoning.
Okay, the soup is ready, and we are going to put it in the plate now for it to be served. So one more here, one more time. Remove the thyme. Let's get it. Any burning? Okay, so I'm about to put it in the plate now. Turn off it. Okay, get the soup in now. So, dinner served, let's enjoy pepper pot soup. Delicious.
Chulani say Happy Independence Day. She always a smack.
Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I hope you try this recipe.
Alright. Say bye.
Bye. Look in.
Say
Yellow,
bye.
vine, and green. And yellow and black.